A very good afternoon to all of you. This is Shivam Shukla, and here I am to solve the problem on the section of solids. The problem is basically on square prism. So I'll be sectioning a square prism by means of an auxiliary inclined plane. Now the question statement, as you can see, a square prism of side of base 30 mm, axis height 50 mm has its base in HP such that its sides of base are equally inclined to vertical plane. A section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP at 45 degree cuts the prism such that it passes through the point on the axis at a distance of 12 mm from the top base. Assuming the major part to be retained, draw the projection of the prism showing the front view, sectional top view, sectional side view and true shape of the section. So now I'll be taking it further for the drawing part of it. Now, this is the XY line. I'll be starting with the top view in which I have already drawn a reference line and mark the angles of 45 degrees on both the sides. Now I'll be marking 30 mm. As it is shown, the sides of base are equally inclined to VP. So here it is. So it's 30 mm over here. Again it's 30 mm over here. Like this. Now I simply need a 30 mm distance like this. Which I have taken it. I'll be pivoting it on one of the points and I will just cut it on the line. So that I got now this as the distance of 30 mm. So I made this as a square. So this becomes my square prism in top view with sides of base equally inclined to VP. Now let me start with the front view. I'll just project these points in the front view as like this, already projected, as well as like this. Now whatever the height is there, that is axis height 50 mm, I'll be making it in the front view. So here it is. I'll be making the front view as a faint one, as the front view which I'll be drawing, I will be sectioning it. That's why I will be drawing it as a faint one, very faint. Once I'm done with this, I'll be completing this. Let me name the sides. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash and 3 dash. Now in my front view, if I see, it is told a section plane which is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP at 45 degree cuts the prism such that it passes through the point on the axis at a distance of 12 mm from the top base. I'll be taking on the axis point, axis line at a distance of 1 to 12 mm from the top base. I'll mark this and I'll mark a horizontal line over here, a faint reference line. Now a section plane is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. I'll take this angle. This is the angle of 45 degrees marked over here like this. I'll be taking it inclined like this, passing through those points, and the section will be darkened at the end and medium thick with a long dash short dash chain passing like this. Okay, so here it is. The section, I'll be marking it as SS. So it's marked like this. So whatever the major portion of the prism is there, which is on the other side, is going to get retained. So I'll simply make it dark. Only the other part of the prism which is not present will remain as faint, which we had already drawn it. So friends, how the points are going to get projected in the top view. If I see, this is the point over here. So it is getting projected like this. Now, friends, if I see, this is a single corner So how the points will be plotted? So here it will be, since this is a single edge, so here it will be a single point, that is A dash. So here it will be A in top view. Now again, since there are two edges, one in the front, one at the back side, one is 2 dash 2 dash, one is 4 dash 4 dash. So here I will be marking the point B dash. Even here the point D dash will be marked. D will be marked, sorry. So here it will be B comma D. Last but not the least, since again there are two edges, 3 to 2 and 3 to 4. So again here it will be C, and here it will be E. C, and here it is going to be E. So again here I'll be plotting it as C dash and E dash. So now simply I would like to join these as the edge, and rest of it will be sectioned. That's why I will hatch it. Simply we are going to hatch it like this. This part of the solid is going to get hatched because it is getting sectioned like this. Now, once I got this particular solid, I'll be seeing the sectional view on the other side. So I'll be taking the distances of 10 mm. 110 will be here, 110 will be here. So I'm drawing a vertical axis line like this. This will be x1, y1. And again, here the line I have drawn. I need to draw a line again at an angle of 45 degrees over there. I'll mark it like this. Already this is at a distance of 10 mm. The line that I'll be plotting will be by default at an angle of 45 degrees. And simply I'll be plotting every point parallel to the XY line. This is plotted. Even this line is plotted. All the lines are plotted parallel to the XY line. Once I have plotted these, I'll be getting it above.